welcome back to our channel. So iPhone 12 mini, 12 and 12 Pros are here. Yesterday Apple announced in their event the all new lineup of iPhone 12 series along with other accessories which includes mag space, etc. Also all iPhones are 5G compatible, so speeds will be very higher for downloads. The 5G iPhones will come with the A14 Bionic chipset, which is a powerful chipset. According to Apple, it can compete with a laptop. It can do almost 11 trillion operations per second only on iPhone. Also, video recording capabilities has been taken further with the Dolby Vision recording on your iPhone along with Dolby Vision recording. So let's see how powerful the A14 Bionic chipset is. The design of iPhone 12 and 12 Pro is just same as the iPhone 11, just with the boxy design of iPhone 5s along with the borders. Other than that, everything is almost same, but the display is now OLED. Yes, what we got in the iPhone X, XS and the 11 Pros, now every iPhone 12 has an OLED panel. So display size has been also different. The pricing had also been released for India. Also the iPhone 12 is priced at the bracket of 70,000 rupees and the iPhone 12 mini has been priced at 69,000 rupees. The iPhone 12 I've talked about is around 79,000 rupees, so we can say it's almost 80,000 rupees. Now the iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max, these are the top end variants of iPhone 12 lineup, and these phones are really powerful. Especially the iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with the 47 megapixel cameras and an incredible image sensor. The camera capabilities has been taken a way further with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. You can shoot in RAW along with Dolby Vision. You can edit it using Dolby Vision only on your iPhone. Yes, the big setups are no more. You can just shoot and capture Dolby Vision HDR video on your iPhone. Night mode has also been dramatically increased to an extent. 5G is also there with the Pros. The Pros are way faster because they have wide 5G bandwidth and they have much more transistors as compared to the iPhone 12, but the processor is same A14 Bionic chipset, so there won't be much different, just a difference of camera because it also has a wide angle camera and a telephoto camera. But in the 12 we can see only a telephoto camera and an ultra wide angle camera. Yes, so the iPhone 12 Pro is priced at 1,19,000 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max is priced at 1,30,000. Yes, the pricing is very high for the whole lineup of iPhone 12, even 12 or 12 Pro. Also the Pros comes with a LiDAR scanner, yes, which we have seen in the iPad last year, which 3D scans the environment. Along with that, it also places augmented reality in that. The iPhone 12 also come with the new type of optical image stabilization, in which the sensor itself stabilizes itself instead of the camera lens. So there will be more stabilization in the new iPhones. All are water resistant and all are just a way better than the previous 11 series lineup. So if you are coming from the XS or X, then it will be a great jump, but from 11 Pros or 11 to 12 it won't be much good for shifting. So that was all for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest updates.
The most powerful iPhone ever.